How to post a picture on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to post a picture on Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are logged into your account, you just want to head over to your profile section on the bottom right corner. And then from here, tap on the plus icon at the top right, or you could just directly tap on this plus icon on the bottom of your screen. And then from here, select posts. And from now here, you can select any picture you want to post on Instagram. For example, if I just want to select two pictures consecutively, I'm just going to tap on this option and it will allow me to select the pictures. So I'm just going to select these two pictures. Actually, I'm just going to select this one first and then select the second one like so. And after you've done that, you could just tap on next. If you want, you can make some edits from here and add music. So I'm just going to add a random music here. So once that is done, tap on next again. And if you want, you could also add a caption to describe your image. And then from here, you could just go ahead and tap on next or OK, and then share this on your profile. Now, whoever is on your contact list or your followers list will be able to see your new post on your profile. So if I just visit my profile here and quickly refresh it, there you go. You have now successfully posted a picture on Instagram. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.